Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful because in this video I am sharing very pretty rose hand embroidery mask design ideas. Different patterns of roses and different colors of roses along with very beautiful branches, stems and leaves have been used to give a very exquisite and bright, eye-catching, attractive pattern and design. And different fabric colors have been used like funky bright ones, yellow, red, maroon, blue, bright blue, royal blue, ink blue, aqua and much more. Different type of hand embroidery stitches like French knot, lazy daisy, Brazilian embroidery have been used. So I suggest you to kindly do try these patterns at home if you know how to embroider flowers, and if you don't know the art of hand embroidery, kindly show the best or favorite designs of yours to a nearby embroidery professional artist and enjoy a very beautiful and 3D hand embroidery designer style masks and look classy and chic. So thank you so much for watching. If you really like the designs, kindly like my video, subscribe my channel, and if you are new, don't forget to comment and share my video. Thank you so much for watching.